Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the phone has power and a backup. This prevents data loss if the update fails. Once charging and backup are complete, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid mobile data interruptions. Next, check storage and free at least 1 GB so the package can download. Open Settings, tap System Advanced System Updates to check for available updates. If an update appears, tap Download to begin. That launches the first actionable step. Once the download starts, watch progress and confirm the package completes. Incomplete files cause install errors. While preparing, the system may verify integrity and encrypt temporary files. Let that finish. Keep the device plugged in and avoid touching restart buttons. Interruptions during install lead to corruption. When prompted, tap Install Now. The phone will reboot into recovery and apply the update. After reboot begins, do not power off. This sequence ensures a clean installation and preserves your data. You finish by letting the phone complete its final reboot and indexing. That can take several minutes. Once it returns to the lock screen, go to Settings About Phone to verify the build number and security patch. This confirms success. Reopen your main apps to ensure data and permissions restored. If the update fails or the phone is unstable, boot into safe mode to remove problematic apps, and if necessary, perform a factory reset only after restoring a current backup. That often resolves persistent update faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.